Welcome back to the channel, guys. Like I said, I usually don't do mail calls, but I got some unique ammunition that I purchased. Got a pretty good price. One's not so unique, it's just kind of hard to find sometimes. So let's start with this one. This came out of Indiana. It's from an auction house right here. Got a good price on it. Bam! Some Lapua Polar Biathlon, still sealed and everything. Got this for about $17 a brick, so that was pretty good. I mean, $17 a box, so that's pretty good pricing there. This here came from a gentleman who's got Parkinson's. Lives over in Billings, Montana, so he doesn't shoot anymore. They don't make this anymore, I don't believe. If they did, it would probably be $20, $25 a box range right now, if they did make it. Brick. I got this for $5 a box. I was lucky to get it. This is, see if we can zoom in on it so you can see. This is Fiocchi's SM320 Super Match ammunition. This is some of the finest ammo Italy makes right here. Like I said, this would probably be in the $20 to $25 range if they made it today. Hopefully these 3 bricks are all the same lot. Let's see here. I'm not really seeing a lot number. Tell you what, let's take a look at the round. Oh, the white pill. Right there. Let me see. It's got a thin lube on it. So, anyway, that's what I got. Like I said, this was a steal for what I got it for. I'll be out shooting it, trying it. I got a lot of ammo that I've bought in the past that I haven't made videos on yet. Just haven't had a chance to. So, anyway, that's what I had for you today. Lapua and 3 bricks of Fiocchi Super Match 320. See you on the next video.